The mission of the ARC is to advocate, educate, and provide services and supports for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities and their families. Our chapter, in particular, serves Lehigh and Northampton counties and about 1,500 people a year.
One of the things that makes the ARC very unique is their drive to fulfill their mission. It's what's powered a relationship with KDG for over 10 years, and we're just so happy to be a part of it.
It's always a pleasure working with the ARC, getting the opportunity to work right alongside with their staff, getting to know their clientele, and seeing how dedicated they are to their clients and their mission.
The major problems we were having is automation of data, not being able to pull reports, not having the accuracy of data.
We have particular codes that are assigned to individuals based on their services that are available to them. And our previous payroll system did not give us the ability to track by codes. So from an accounting perspective, that was a major challenge anytime you wanted to do type of any analysis or give government feedback on how much services were used in a particular basis. So that was the main driver for us to start looking.
One of the things that we focused on is just managed IT. With over 100 different workstations and several hundred different users, managing uptime, making sure that problems are adjudicated very quickly, managing the security of all their solutions has been a primary focus of KDG. The second has been managing and merging a lot of legacy systems.
We built an employee portal which allowed the employees or the service providers to enter their time manually from mobile devices and allowed a much greater visibility into the payroll, into the services that were being provided, into the timesheets.
So we built a complete system to house all this data, make it really fast and easy for them to get all this data entered, and then have it seamlessly integrate with their payroll system. The other part is a time clock for internal employees that we're building out as well to track their time easily and without having to do any manual data entry at all. So the main goal, of course, is to automate as much of this payroll and time entry system as possible.
We chose the Zoho solution for our timekeeping. It's extremely customizable. So any type of report that we could possibly need, we can now get, and being able to track time and being able to pull the reports, being able to look at all the SSPs and our MEs all in one spot is huge for us, and that's something that we've never had before.
It's been wonderful because you can run reports by codes, by client, by managing employer, by participant, and the level of detail that I have now compared to what I had before is amazing. And just being able to analyze that is an exciting thing for me, to be quite honest with you.
The software definitely has improved our accuracy. It totally now alleviates any double payments or double billings. So at the end of the day, it's saving the company money.
Every single pay period, we see more and more benefits of this transition. And we're continuing to work with KDG to do more changes and more updates that are really going to bring us into the modern world of technology.
The ARC is just so mission focused that we've been able to design a system that really puts a high focus on delivering quality care when quality care is needed.
The application eliminated a lot of redundancy, improved efficiencies, and allowed the staff the time that they need to focus on their mission.
They're going to be able to meet the regulations and have the reports that they need to provide to the state and make sure that everything's reconciled and in balance and verified so that they're not incompliant with anything.
KDG, working with them is phenomenal. Kyle and Lynette and Judy, and even working with individuals, that come in on a daily basis, they're very understanding. I have a technology background, but not near what they have, and it really has been a great help, them bringing it to my level.
Working with the team at KDG has been absolutely amazing. They definitely were able to keep us on track. They were keeping us calm and telling us, don't worry, it's going to be fine, people are going to get paid. So they have been fantastic. I don't have enough words to say about how amazing they have been through this whole process.